The story of the pencil maker and the pencil. A long time ago, a pencil maker was preparing to put an important pencil in a box. Before doing so, though, he took the pencil aside and told the pencil, "There are 5 important things I would like to tell you before I send you out into the world. Never forget them, as they will help you become the best pencil you can be. Number 1. You will be able to do many great things, but only if you allow yourself to be held in someone else's hand. Number 2. You will experience a painful sharpening from time to time, but you will need it to become a better pencil. 3. You will be able to correct any mistake you might make. 4th, the most important part, remember, will always be inside of you. And the last, that is the 5th point, on every surface you are used on, you must leave your mark. No matter what the condition, you must continue to write." And after saying that, he put the pencil in the box and sent it out into the world. This message is for every one of us also.